Question 3 is concerned with finding the age of an ancient boat by comparing the radioactive decay of carbon-14 from living wood with that of wood taken from the boat. A sample of 3 × 10⁻23 atoms of carbon is removed for investigation from a block of living wood. In living wood, 1 in 10⁻12 of the carbon atoms is carbon-14 with a decay constant of 3.84 × 10⁻12 seconds to the -1. In A, we need to state what is meant by the decay constant. Well, this gives the probability of a nucleus decaying over a particular time interval. In part B, we need to find the half-life of carbon-14 in years, given that a year is 3.15 × 10⁻7 seconds. Well, half-life is given by the natural log of 2 over the decay constant. The decay constant was given in the question, giving a half-life of 1.8 × 10⁻11 seconds. Dividing this by the number of seconds in a year gives 5730 years. The answer is to 3 significant figures, as our data is to 3 significant figures. In C, we need to show that the rate of decay of carbon-14 in the living wood is 1.15 becquerels. While activity is decay constant times number of atoms, here is the decay constant. We have a total number of 3.00 × 10⁻23 carbon atoms. 1 in 12 is carbon-14, giving an activity of 1.152 becquerels, or 1.15 becquerels to 3 significant figures. In D, a sample of 3 × 10⁻23 atoms removed from a piece of wood taken from the boat has a rate of decay of 0.65 becquerels. We need to find the age of the ancient boat in years. Well, for this, activity is equal to activity at time 0 times the exponential function to minus the decay constant times the time. Rearranging, taking natural logs of both sides removes the exponential function. Then rearranging for the time, the activity is 0.65 becquerels. The activity at the start was 1.152 becquerels, giving a time of 1.49 × 10⁻11 seconds. Dividing this by the number of seconds in a year gives 4720 years. In E, we need to give 2 reasons why it is difficult to obtain a reliable age of the boat from the carbon dating described. Well, the count rate is very small compared to the background count. Also, the proportion of carbon that is carbon-14 may have been different thousands of years ago.